Sustainable manufacturing continuously introduces challenges. With the COVID-19 global pandemic creating additional demands of resiliency, agility, and increased flexibility, Hitachi America R&D is innovating for these demands by developing solutions for a more sustainable society through a process we call manufacturing to zero. The manufacturing to zero concept begins with ameliorating our environmental impact. By conceptualizing and actively reducing emissions, we support the goals of the state of California while contributing to U.S. government projects to increase reliability, lower costs, and increase safety of the power grid. Transportation accounts for 29% of carbon emissions in the US, so we analyze real-time connected data sources to enable EVs to calculate and select the most efficient routes. A critical component of manufacturing to zero is producing zero waste. To do that, we must become a leader in circular economy, a $100 billion market, by focusing on new business models and innovative sustainability processes to achieve our end goal. To achieve zero downtime, we use AI and machine learning technologies to discover actionable insights from the large and varied data generated by manufacturing equipment, predicting problems before they happen while recommending effective preventative measures. Manufacturing is undergoing a digital transformation, with COVID-19 accelerating the need for AI-powered solutions. Our manufacturing cyber module standardizes common production components to help customers repurpose or build new production lines at faster speeds and lower costs, with the flexibility and agility they need to thrive in the current marketplace. A dedicated 5G network in our laboratories enables remote workers to effectively and efficiently cope with unexpected situations, keeping them safe while leading to zero downtime in manufacturing. Finally, we avoid major supply chain disruptions through reliable forecasting with a clear set of rules for operation in uncertain circumstances. This risk management framework is helpful for contingency planning to increase manufacturing uptime. Other industries contribute to manufacturing to zero by using our technologies. Insurance companies see how customers reduce risks, thereby reducing premiums as payout risks also diminish. Cybersecurity and safety are vital for critical infrastructure and manufacturing, which is why we are working towards zero incidents with the physical and cyber safety of all. Through strategic partnership, zero trust architecture, and zero tolerance for violation, resilience against zero-day vulnerabilities will be achieved. Our video intelligence software detects whether individuals are complying with public health recommendations during the COVID-19 pandemic, but is also useful in evaluating compliance with safety protocols in manufacturing. Finally, our design-led innovation framework, Nexperience, assesses and defines social requirements for our solutions, establishing deep understanding of our customers' contexts, allowing us to creatively and collaboratively solve societal challenges. Together, we are creating a bigger impact on society. By combining our expertise in multiple domains and leveraging the US ecosystem, Hitachi America R&D has developed several innovative solutions on Hitachi's Lumada platform as part of our Manufacturing to Zero initiative. With this initiative, Hitachi America R&D is contributing to sustainable societies by adding value through environment, resilience, safety, and security. Hitachi's social innovation is powering good.